time. Happy holidays to all of you. So we got something right here that I want to unbox. So this is going to be an unboxing video. This is a Backfire G2 Galaxy's electric skateboard. And I'm gonna try to get this out. I'm struggling trying to unbox this. I don't know why I only got this part, so. Oh wait, never mind. I'm getting it. Just pause the video. Okay, so now finally I got this unboxed. The flaps over there were hard to actually open up. They felt stuck to me. So this is what you get when you unbox the skateboard. So you got your Backfire board right here, and you got your accessories right here. And I think I might have opened this upside down. Can I just? Oh, what the? Oh, yep. Here are your accessories. So let me go ahead and just pull those out real quick. Okay, so these are the accessories that you got. So you have your remote right here. I pretty much took some things out of the box. So here's your charger. This is for the remote. The other charger for the board is in here. This is gonna be the charger. And you also got your little tool right here that you can use to like tighten things if anything feels loose, like the screws or something. Because sometimes when you get your electric skateboards out of a package, they could be loose, so I would recommend tightening the screws before you start to ride. Okay, now that I got the board out of the box and out of its wrap, so let's talk about like what. So here you turn on your board by pressing this, and then right here, this is like kind of in the front. This is where you're gonna charge your board, and it takes about, I believe, 2 or 3 hours to charge, depending on like how much battery you have. And also explain some like its top speed and its range and such. So I'm gonna take this outside real quick because I'm sure it's ready to go because the remote is charged, and I'm pretty sure that this should be charged. Maybe not fully, but it's just charged enough to ride around and get used to it. Alright guys, so when I watched back the footage that I captured on my phone while riding on the board, unfortunately the camera was aiming down the whole time. I didn't even realize it. Like I said, I can't even hold the phone if I'm going to be on this thing. I can't even hold the remote in my left hand and then film, like, because I'm not gonna be focused trying to like stay on this board, because this is a fast board. So I looked up the speed on this thing, and the top speed was it was 40 kilometers per hour, aka that is close to 25 miles per hour, and that is really fast for a board. And the price for this thing is, it starts off around $400, just about. So let me get this board turned on real quick. I don't even want to be. All right. Oh crap! I pushed the throttle down too hard. All right. Whoa. So right now in econ mode, I am going 20 kilometers per hour. I don't know how fast that is in miles per hour. You can only tell how fast you're going in kilometers per hour on your remote. So I feel like they should change that. And the fact that so I'm gonna try to do it. I'm holding the throttle down all the way, and yeah, it looks like 20 kilometers per hour is like the top speed on this thing. All right, let's go to sport mode.
Just gotta make sure no cars are here. All right, let's go. And I'm wearing gloves. It's harder to tell like if I'm pushing down the throttle like all the way or just enough. Oh god. I'm already about to wipe out right now. I don't even know if I should be going this fast. Oh my god. Oh god. I got up to 33 on that. All right, let's go down this way. So right now I'm just gonna be cruising around. So in the meantime, guys, just enjoy this footage. I'm out.